Hello, fellow geniuses. Did you have your raw chicken already today? To boost your capabilities to understand the incredible powers of the most technological machine in this reality, the human body. The secrets our body, our consciousness holds to the ones who have the eyes to see it and the hearts to feel it. That is why we practice eating raw chicken every single day. It smells like your mama. So we can boost our understanding, boost our based knowledge state of being, to provide our temple the energy, the life force energy, and the nutrition it needs to function. Some people claim we are frugivores. We come from apes that came from fishy fish. We should be eating fruits. But why do that not seem to work for most that try? It is so incredibly hard. People lose their teeth. People lose their health when they try to be frugivore monkeys, even though monkeys also eat other animals. Monkeys even hunt. Some people say we are seed wars. We are supposed to eat seeds like the birds in the sky. And when we eat the seeds, we rise up like a phoenix. But what they didn't realize is we need to eat those birds. They're rusty. That's how you really get the bird freaking wings. You become that real phoenix. But these people say seed is where the power of life is. And when you break those seeds inside of your body, you get that life force energy again from that seed. Maybe try eating your own seed, like some of these people actually do. Geniuses. What they don't get is that seeds tend to harm human guts and intestines quite a bit. They seem to scrape and destroy the microbiome, scrape you down there so you start leaking. On top of many other problems that seeds seem to cause, they seem to be incredibly hard food for human beings to adapt to and actually thrive. You need to do all these steps. Soak it 25.6 hours. Destroy these anti-nutrients, and then you need to cook it another 13.78 hours and minutes, and then it tastes like garbage. So you need sauces, you need spices, you need herbs to give it some flavor, because seeds taste like garbage on there. And even when you do all these 17 steps to actually prepare the seeds for human body and then make it somewhat tasty, blend the natural taste of the seeds, even then they fuck your stomach up. So let the birds eat the seeds. You eat the bird maybe. For me it was always pretty interesting how some people don't give a fuck about human body. Up to me, that was always the ultimate, to know how my body works and how nature works in general, because I realized this at a very young age that that's what's gonna make me feel my best. Now I fell for a couple of those traps real good. I wasn't such a genius I am today. Back in my younger years, I had to learn by the mistakes. But I got the right idea that the human body is the most advanced piece of technology there freaking is. This beef real good. This is those Highland cows from a local farm. You can taste that from the fat. So much better than any supermarket beefs usually. But anyway, I always wondered as a young lad why some people don't give a shit about their bodies. Like they're more interested about cars or something like some materialistic things, but many guys are interested in cars or something like that. Like why do they care about car more than their own engine? But I can kinda understand it now. Many things that happen that we do subconsciously. Although deep down we probably feel there real deep, that most people don't do. That's why we in these troubles, because people don't really look into themselves and think about what they are doing. That's how you can do all of the malicious, horrible things people do. But many people subconsciously at a very young age might realize that nature kinda fucked me over. My ancestors went against it. They did some fucked up shit from the nature's point of view. And now you are the physical manifestation of this. You might be real short, malformed, you might be a little ugly looking, you might be dumb, all these things, and you're gonna realize that my nature, my physical nature ain't that good, so why even freaking focus on it? Then you start to focus on other things rather than yourself. You accept that, or you don't, you actually start coping. There's so few people that accept who they are, like so very few. It's a rare day when I meet those, and you can always feel it pretty quickly. They don't have no problems making fun of themselves, but not in this degrading kind of way that they kind of act like a beach. But they don't also try to hide their flaws or any of their. They extremely open people. Yeah, I think many people understand subconsciously, at least, that it's kinda over. And then they just start to focus on all these materialistic things or whatever. Might be also something to do with the brainwashing, like with everything. Combination. Everything affects everything. There's usually always multiple things that cause the stupidness, the tomfoolery that's going on. But also there usually is that root cause, and that's probably where I'm going now, that the people just don't like how they be, who they are. So let's just focus on other things. Those cars, they're real cool. What do you think about these shiny rocks people are addicted to? Like gold, copper. Like they can actually, maybe there is some kind of energy with these substances, and when you wear them, they can work together with your body. Or is that just bullshit? I don't think most of the people think about it like that. They just wanna show other people that they got this or that. And coping gear. But for example, I've heard if you wear copper helmets, like copper jewel, fuck. Like for example, if you have some problem here, you start wearing copper, it can might might maybe help. But these problems usually come from inside also, so you have to regenerate from inside out. Anyway, see you later, geniuses. See you freaking later. Thanks for watching. We getting real.